Hi everyone, Georgetown Soaps here. I am making one of my favorite fragrances, one of my signature soaps. This is the Passionfruit and Nectarine fragrance from BeScented, and it smells exactly as it sounds. It's passionfruit and nectarine. It's about spot on. Smells fantastic, and the fragrance behaves perfectly. Doesn't accelerate, doesn't race. In fact, sometimes I find I have to kind of overstick blend a little bit just to get it to where I can do my swirls. And love this orange color. This is the orange from BeScented. It's a neon kind of fluorescent color, and a lot of times I just use it and I'll put a little bit of TD in it just to tone it down and make it a little bit more pastel-y. So there's just a lot of options you can do with this fragrance. And for this soap, I just decided to do kind of a speed video just because I kind of don't have too much to say, but figured everyone would want to see just the making of it. You can see them kind of particular when it comes to scraping off my spatula. I probably need to ditch that habit, but it's just my thing. And so I've always kind of done this fragrance in this color scheme, the bright orange, and then a really nice like red raspberry color as well. And just really like how the colors go together. To me, it's just passion fruit nectarine, and it's become one of my signature fragrances. I do it in candles, does amazing in the soy wax, and then I also do it in bath bombs, and then obviously the soap. Just a great fragrance. So if you haven't gotten it from BeScented, I would recommend going and getting it because it does fantastic in everything. And I'm gonna go ahead and just let you guys finish watching me do the pour, and then I'll bring you guys back for the cut. And I love how the top turned out. I like it when it gets thick enough that you can do a little bit of texturing with the swirls on the top. And this soap, I actually inadvertently left it in the oven for about 3 days, so it was a little bit harder to cut than normal, but it's no issues. I just kind of had to push down a little bit harder on my cutter. I'm really happy with how the swirls came out. And just love the colors, and it was fantastic. So, and again, thank you so much for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Just hit my 1,000 subscriber milestone with YouTube. So excited about that, and enjoy the rest of the cut. I'll see you on the next video.